Welcome back to the channel. It's move-in day at the new shop. And we're walking into the Coyote Direct shop. Got the S550 here, but our corner over here is starting to take shape. So Kennedy painted the bathrooms, and then they still haven't put our door in, but we have a car in here ready to be worked on. But
you had your camera this whole time.
Yeah, I'm doing an update so I can release it tomorrow. Boom.
You've been filming all.
So we could have been filming all this. All right, so here we are. Look at all the tooling. Da-da-da-da. This bender, electric over hydraulic, JD squared Model 4 or Model 32, I don't know which one. Model 4, this thing is legit. We are gonna have to do a video on this. Amazing work. We just did a 180-degree bend on some 1 1/4 inch with less than 5% deformation on a 4.5 inch center line. Like, this thing's amazing. So, belt sander, bandsaw, drill press that is broken. Yeah, anyways, we'll get back to that. And then we're gonna have some tooling here as well, like we've talked about. And then the fab table, it's ordered, it's on its way. But, dun dun dun, welder. So, makeshift welder cart for now. Dave, how's it going, buddy?
It's great.
Man, what a long day. I know, I'm getting there. Dave is super excited. So, Dave has been harassing me. He's like, we're getting a turbo mounted. Saturday, we're moving in, we're getting a turbo mount. I'm like, Dave, we gotta set up the welder, we gotta set up the bender, we gotta set up all this stuff. There's no way we're gonna be able to do this.
So 2 colors.
And so we started at 8 o'clock this morning. Dave ditched us on breakfast. He was supposed to bring breakfast. Me and Brady had some burritos. They were delicious. They got us the energy to drive through the day. And so 8 o'clock this morning, we started moving stuff. We'll go over to the other side here in a sec. We started moving stuff, all the tooling, the cars, the toolboxes and everything. And we've just been all at it. 5 trips to Lowe's, 4 trips to Ace, trip to Tractor Supply. And we got the welder set up. We borrowed a bunch of Brady stuff. He has a very similar welder. He's got the other Everlast. So we needed some cups. My torches aren't these torches, so my stuff doesn't work. But we have our argon bottle. So what we did today, like I said, we bent that tube over there. And then, mounted a turbo. Check this out. So you can see that 180 that we did. Can't really see it great, but you can kind of see the 180 that we did. But like no deformation on the tube really, less than 5%. I think it's like 3 to 4% deformation on a 180-degree bend on a 4.5 inch center line. Like, it's amazing. Like, the quality is amazing. Like, very, very impressed. I don't like bending chromoly anyways, but I was super impressed. But there's the turbo. So not cutting a hole in the bumper, it's gonna be sleeper style. That is, hey, are you saying what size turbo this is? Yeah. So it's a Jose 76 millimeter.
The new one.
The new one.
Cheated
Gen 3. Oh yeah, it's X275 turbo. No, actually, if it's a 76. No, 76 is a cheated up Ultra Street turbo.
Yeah.
So, but here it is. I wish I'll put the. Can I put the photo in that I took with my phone right here?
Yeah.
So
it only looks big because the car's small.
Yeah, it only looks big because the car's small. But so super. I got a super great photo of it. But this is sitting there. It fits with the hood, and it's just gonna boop right in to the throttle body. This header is gonna come out over here, and we're gonna do a bend, and we're gonna come out over here through here, and it's gonna merge. Both are gonna merge right here, and boop right in. And the other header comes down the outside. So they're just gonna boop right in. So, turbo is mounted. There is no way you actually thought we were gonna get this mounted.
I thought you were gonna say there's no way we're gonna make 2K.
No, we're making 2K.
Well, you're right. Yeah, the turbo's mounted. I mean,
There's
hold side 10 minutes, you know, 20 minutes on the headers. We'll be
if you had the materials, I'd have it done. I'm waiting on you.
overnight fun is.
Let's go.
It's time to turn it on,
Let's
right?
go.
There's a reason we have it.
Yes. What is the overnight budget for this car? It's got to be high.
Non-existent.
It's got to be high. Yeah, non-existent because there is no limit.
Exactly.
So I wish you could see earlier. I have a picture. I'll put the picture in now. We put this mounting way up here.
Show them the other one.
Yeah, and the front end's up there. Let's go. Yeah, turn that light on. So we did this for the other car as well. We figure we have a lot of one-piece front ends around here. We need places to put them. This is our storage bay. Boom, check that out. So same, oh, hold on, there we go, there you go. So same principle, but like, it's amazing. Like, it gets them up out of the way, saves tons of space. And I mean, it's rock solid up there. It's not going anywhere. It's out of the way. It's not going to get damaged. Like, it's just, it's awesome. Like, so there you are. I'm doing a little shop update. What else do you have to know? Like, here's our storage area.
It's packed.
It's packed. And what's funny is we almost didn't get this space.
Yeah,
We would have been stupid. Stupid. So, and then Dave's office. Let me show you Dave's office. That's a Nick's car, twin turbo. They're, I don't know what they're doing. I don't. Who knows? So here's Dave's office. He's gonna have a desk in here. But check this out, like a little office desk, like a ship. Is this your shipping area?
Working on it, yeah.
Shipping area. Got a fridge, and then like stocking parts. Like, how cool is this? Like, you need oil pump gears? Boom! Hit up Coyote Direct.
Those are just for the cars we're doing.
Oh,
It's just kind of
are they really?
some of them.
ARP head studs? Boom! Coyote Direct.
I got a bunch.
Motion Raceworks? Boom!
I just put
N2MB? Boom!
just put a few things out here. We got a bunch at the house still, but
Bunch at the house, and so
lay
yeah.
some of it out.
No, I like that you got it, you know, in stock, ready to ship, so someone can go on the website, purchase it, get entered for a free turbo kit.
It could be like that.
It could be like that, and here you are. All right. So he's got the calendar, so managing everything.
Yeah.
This is a monthly calendar, and then we got the yearly calendar. So look, he's already getting work on. This is just his work. This does not include my work. We have a separate calendar. We are booking now. Oh, I should mention, because your hats made me remind. Brady, come here.
Oh yeah, give them the preview.
So here's Dave's, but check this out. Little sneak peek. They're coming. They're coming. Oh, look at that. Streetcar Joe hats. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man.
How much for the autograph version?
Oh, oof. I'll autograph them. So we have a couple left over. We did a little small sample order, and we have a couple left over. So I'm going to do some sort of giveaway. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. I think, share an Instagram post? Because you can't really share a YouTube video.
Yeah, true.
Well.
But not everybody has Instagram.
True. I don't know. We'll figure something out. I got like 2 or 3 hats left. I just want to give them away. Like, do a little giveaway, you share, and you know, you get entered in, and then in a week I'll draw a couple names and ship them out. But we're going to do a stocking order. We love them. They look great. I have both the Richardson hats and the Flex Fits. So we're going to have them in stock, and we have sample hoodies on the way as well.
Oh, snap.
Boom. Can't wait.
Wintertime's coming.
If
It's
you're cool,
here.
bundle up.
Yeah, bundle up. Streetcar Joe apparel. All right.
Be on the website.
Ooh, oh. Are you making my website?
No.
How's streetcarjoe.com coming?
Non-existent. How's my turbo cake?
Yeah, the turbo's mounted.
When the headers are done.
Oh, it's always something with him. He didn't even feed me ice cream tonight. Okay, so turbo mounted. I got awesome pictures. Show you that. Let's go to the other shop and do a quick update over there. New shop. Here it is. Is this like the official reveal?
It is.
I think we haven't shown anything. I think we showed some.
We've shown some.
Okay, but so you can see Brady's car's here. This is one that's been in my garage for a little while. It's kind of torn apart, but we've been making great progress on this. Actually, you probably could show the carbon piece and then like the bulkheads and everything. Like those turned out pretty good.
I did. Little carbon pieces. That one will go on the side to kind of box it in.
Oh yeah, this one goes over here.
Electrical bulkhead. Valve cover.
Oh yeah,
bulkheads.
puke tank. Go to the back. But it turned out real good. And we got another motion bulkhead back there. But Brady's been helping me on this car, last couple weeks, I'd say?
Yeah, last 2 weeks.
Yeah. Fuel filter's mounted. It looks kind of funny right now because we don't have the header in here. Like I said, we got this torn apart because there's some spacing issues with the engine. So we actually have to pull the engine out. Engine's coming out. I think now we were going to pull it this weekend, but we ended up moving the car. So now the car's here in the official like OCD shop, right? Is that what the nickname for this one, the OCD shop? I don't know. But it's here now, so we're gonna get the picker over here, get the motor out, and fix the spacing issue. The headers are fully welded now, so we put the headers back in, the hot side, and the kit. Oh, like I don't think I showed all the video of the turbo kit. That's a shame.
You'll have to put a picture.
It's so awesome.
Put a picture or something.
But yeah, so like the hot side and the cold side, like, and the gates, everything's done. Oh, it's so good. That stinks. Yeah, I wanted to have that in this update video. But anyways, so that's all done, but we had to pull it all back out so we can fix the motor spacing issues. But yeah, Brady's gonna be fixing the motor spacing issues here starting this week. I'm mounting the electronics, so the Holly Dominator and the relay panel and all that, I'm gonna start mounting it, and I'm full steam ahead wiring it. Like, we got a little picking up to do in the shop, but for the most part, like, we're ready full steam ahead. We have, the cars are lining up already, which, I mean, we anticipated it, but we have a couple more wiring jobs that are in the works. We got that new Edge over there, that's a chassis turbo kit wiring job. We have another car coming from Dallas, that's a twin turbo kit, S550 that we're doing. So, we still have availability. Like, if you still needed a turbo kit before 2K, I think we could fit it in.
What about another wiring job before 2K? We could squeeze you in, maybe?
If it was a Holly kit, I think we could squeeze it in. If you were wanting Motec before 2K, I'd go, I don't know about that.
Probably have to do that expedite fee.
Yeah. Holler, maybe we could talk about it. But yeah, anything else to add? Shop update. We cover everything? Tools. We need tools. If you have spare tools, send them to us. We are in a desperate need of tools. Like,
We've got some tools.
we got some, and we have, like, we both have full toolboxes at home, but we're trying not to rob ourselves to bring all our tools up here. So, but yeah, I think that kind of covers the shop update. Full steam ahead. We're making progress. They need to make our door. We're setting up the tooling. We'll probably do another update in like a week and like just have everything cleaned up, polished up, and we're gonna have a bunch more cars here, all the projects, and we'll kind of give an update. But these are kind of the starters one. This is the one I've been working on. We're just finishing this up. It needs to be wired. We're like halfway through plumbing it. This car should be done here relatively soon. The new Edge, that's kind of a longer project. We're waiting on parts for that. We've ordered everything, but I mean, we're probably a month out from getting a lot of the parts. So that one's kind of hanging out. I think we have a wiring job coming Christmas time, and then we have a twin turbo kit coming at the start of the year, and then maybe another one. So we'll see. We got a bunch of projects, but this month we can kind of focus on getting everything situated how we want it, get this car wrapped up and out of here, and then we're ready to hit the new year with new customers and new builds. So I guess this is a shameless plug, right? If you need your car worked on, slide into my DM. Shoot me a message. I'm gonna have an official email. So we're gonna have like an official Streetcar Joe email address.
Ooh, very nice.
So and like you can email like, you know, sales@scjfab.com or something like that. That'd be pretty cool.
It would.
I'll work on that. Maybe that'll be my project tomorrow. Anything to add, Brady?
I like it.
I like it too, man. Like, huge progress today. It was like a 15, 16 hour day today.
It was a long day, but it was fun.
Long day progress. Like, that's what we needed. We got everything moved over. We've been talking about, started getting everything situated, and then who would have thought we ended up actually getting some work done, bending some tubes already with the tubing bender, and mounting turbos. Like, it was a good day. Productive day. Long day, productive. All right, stay tuned. Like I said, lots more videos coming. I mean, that's just the first of many. We got many more stuff. Once we get the shop more organized and get all the cool stuff, we still have a huge surprise coming in for this one. Huge surprise. So once that's here, we'll do a video on that, and then we got a bunch more parts coming for that other shop. We're just gonna be outfitting everything. It's gonna be awesome. Follow along. Be sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, we'll see y'all in the next one.